Hi everyone, Sherry Wind here, just doing a midweek check-in. I just wanted to let you know that the semester is going really fast. We're already in midweek 5, which is halfway through our semester, of course. I'm really appreciating all of your discussions. I'm kind of keeping low in our discussions. Once in a while I'll chime in, but it's really about all of you discussing your perspectives and just creating the focus of the class and helping the class evolve over this semester, getting to know each other online. And the reflection essays are going well. You have your grades recorded for your biocognitive psychosocial essays. Everybody did very well on those. So things are going well. Again, I'm always available online if anyone has any questions. Today, as you can see, I want to just briefly discuss the Unit 1 exam that's coming up on Monday. So just some details about the exam, just to orient you to it. So there's 2 exams this semester. Each exam has 25 short answer questions. Our first exam is on Monday, this coming Monday, June 29th. It opens at 7 a.m. and closes at 11:30 p.m. So you have over a 12-hour window at any point to take the exam, whether you like to take it first thing of the day or at the end of your day. You'll only have 1 attempt to take the exam. The exam is timed, so you'll only have a 75-minute window, an hour and 15 minutes. So with 25 questions, make sure you're leaving about 3 minutes per question. You don't spend 5 to 10 minutes, of course, on a question, or else you're going to run out of time. The answers are short answers, and what that basically means is that anywhere between 2 to 3, maybe 4 sentences is maximum. I do not expect short essays or long essays or abstracts on any of these questions. They're brief, answer the question, try to be as direct, as specific as possible. So again, this is where we find our exams under Unit Exam Study Guides, the module for that. And here's your exam, your guide for exam number 1. So I just want to open up the exam, the study guide right here. So again, just some details up on the top. Exams can be found under Activities, which is where you find your drop boxes and your discussions. Then you click under Quizzes, and then you'll click under Unit 1 Exam, and you'll just say Start Exam. So again, if you follow the study guide, it follows the exam. So the questions are evenly distributed. So if there's more topics under Chapter 1, there's probably going to be more questions under Chapter 1. So for example, a question could be, describe the differences between critical periods and sensitive periods. What is meant by a dynamic systems approach to human growth and development? If we look at Chapter 2, where we discussed all our theories, it could be a question of describe briefly Piaget's periods of cognitive development. So again, short answer, brief, outline form is great. And again, this takes us through all the chapters for Unit 1, which goes from Chapters 1 through Chapter 10. Remember, we never covered Chapter 3, so that is obviously not on the study guide, not on the exam. And again, where there's more information, like on Chapter 9, there's probably going to be more questions on Chapter 9 than there will be on Chapter 8. So make sure you are following the study guide as closely as possible, because it 100% reflects the content that will be on the Unit 1 exam. That's it for now. I just wanted to again give you a brief review of where to find the exam, where to find the study guide, and what's on the study guide, and how to be most efficient and effective in taking this exam. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm always available online. Nice to talk to you all. Talk to you soon.